Hello everyone, today we are going to make ginger lemon tea in two ways. One way we use ginger slices, the second way we use fresh squeezed ginger juice. Now let's make the first type of ginger lemon tea. We use fresh ginger and cut one small piece fresh ginger and you peel the ginger. Yes, peel the ginger nicely. Peel it completely and nicely, and then you slice it. You slice the ginger to get nice ginger slices like this. And then you add as much as you want the ginger slices into the cup. And this way we have to use the hot water. So we boil the water to 100 degrees C and we get 1 cup of hot water. And we add the hot water into the cup to soak the ginger slices. And then you add sugar, mix it well, and then you have to make fresh lemon juice. Here we use fresh lemon juice, we just squeeze out. Now we squeeze out the lemon juice. You add the lemon juice into the ginger tea, and then you get nice hot ginger lemon tea. Ginger is a very powerful food. It has antiviral, antibacterial property, and it can also boost your immune system. Now we make the second type of ginger lemon tea. In this way, we take full advantage of ginger because we squeeze out the fresh ginger juice from the ginger. So we take every single type of nutrient from the ginger. So we get more powerful, more pungent, more spicy ginger lemon tea than the first type. So personally, I like the second type of ginger lemon tea. We grate the ginger and we get fresh ginger puree, and then we use a small piece of cheesecloth to squeeze out the ginger juice. It's a nice yellow ginger juice. And then you add fresh ginger juice into the cup you desired, and then you add water. This water can be hot water, warm water, cold water, or ice cold water, depending on which way you like it. And then you add sugar. Now we have to make fresh lemon juice. So we squeeze 1 lemon and we get fresh lemon juice. Use the lemon squeezer. In this case, we get about 30 ml or 30 gram fresh lemon juice. We add the lemon juice into the ginger juice, and now you can enjoy it. It's very tasty and very good, healthy drink for you. Thank you for watching.